Hello everybody, welcome back. Tonight we're going to be doing Module 2, Lesson 8, and our objective is that we're going to solve one-step word problems involving metric weights within 100 and estimate to reason about solutions. Alright, so let's say that we have a bag, two bags. This bag has 80 pinto beans. Pinto beans are really good when you make them into refried beans. And let's say that we have another bag and it has 30 popcorn kernels. Okay? Now, if I were to weigh them, I would find out how much they weigh. Now, if I were to do this using a scale that uses grams, I would discover that 80 pinto beans weighs about 28 grams. And I would find out that the bag of popcorn weighs about 36 grams. Isn't that kind of unusual that something that has fewer numbers weighs more? Popcorn kernels are pretty heavy, aren't they? All right. Now I want to find out how much both of my bags are together. So I know that I can do this by using an addition statement. So here we go. You can do 28 grams plus 36 grams and then find the total. Is there an easy way to do this? I want you to see something that I saw somebody do once. They took 36 and they changed it to 2 and 34. What did we make here? We made a number bond, sort of, didn't we? Now, is 34 plus 2 36? It sure is. But do you know why they did 2? Because they are going to give this 2 to 28. Now, what's 28 plus 2? That's right. 28 plus 2 is now 30. And then we add this 34. And I think we're going to find that we can do this pretty simply. If you can't figure that out even more, you could break it down some more into 4 and 30. Now we have 30 plus another 30 plus a 4. Well, what is 30 plus 30? That's right, that's 60. So now you add 4 more, and what do you have? You have 64 grams. Now you may have been able to do that up here as well and not needed to break it down further. But this is a way that we can do to figure out our mental math. And that is what our lesson is going to be doing quite a bit of today, is doing some mental math. Let's move on to the next thing. Now, let's talk about Lindsay today. Lindsay wants to ride the roller coaster. The minimum weight to ride the roller coaster is you have to be 32 kilograms. Where is my pen? There we go. 32. I'm having a hard time finding it. Let's see. Let's try it again. 32 kilograms. That's how much you have to weigh in order to get to ride the roller coaster. If you don't weigh that much, then you're too small and you can't go. She weighs 14 kilograms less than the required weight. So I want to know, if she weighs 14 kilograms less, how much does she weigh? Well, when I have this, I know what my total is. My total needs to be 32 kilograms. I know a part, 14 kilograms, but I have a mystery. When I have a mystery like this, I know that it's going to be 14, because we could do part plus a part equals a whole, plus an unknown or a mystery equals 32 kilograms. Now, when this happens, in order to solve this, I have to do a subtraction problem. So I'm going to be doing 32 kilograms, take away 14 kilograms. Equals some sort of kilograms. But I bet I can find a way to solve this, right? So what can I take apart? Well, I can take 14 apart, can't I? If I take 14 apart, I can take it apart as a 10 and a 4. can't I? You can take it apart any way that you can think of that would make it easier. Now, I have 32 plus a 10 plus a 4. What is that? Can we do that one? Well, what is 32 plus 10? That's right, that's 42 because we're counting by tens. Now I have 42 plus a 4, and I know that 2 plus 4 is 6, so that gives me 46 kilograms. See? You need to be able to start learning some of these tricks so that you can do it in your head. However, just a warning, you cannot just do it in your head and write an answer. You still have to show me how you did it. Do you see right here? This is what shows right here, this part right here, where you break it apart, what you were thinking. This is how you communicate to me what you did. Now let's try another problem. Now let's try it as a division problem. We can do division, we can do multiplication, but we can do it with kilograms as well. So, let's see. I'm going to try something new with this little. As soon as I find my mouse, I'm going to click on the text selected, and I'm going to write the problem here using my computer. 8. Let's see if I can get it to work. I want this one. Okay. Will it show it if I type? Well, I thought it would. Alright, well it's not. So, oh, there we go. Okay. Here's our text. 8 chairs. Whoops, that's not chairs. Oh, look what's happened. I see it. It's moving down. We need to move them down here. That doesn't even say chairs. Okay, so let's work on fixing that. Okay. 8 chairs weigh 24 kilograms. What is the, oh my goodness, Mrs. Corlett. It's hard to type when you're tired. What is, okay. What is the weight of one chair? Okay, so this is what we're going to do. This is what we're going to solve. Oh, no, we're not, because that's not even, okay. Now, why does my text go all over the place? I'm not sure. Okay, you know what? Heck with that idea. Okay, try this again. Sorry about the fiddling. 8 chairs weigh 24 kilograms. Okay? How much what is the weight of one chair? How much does it weigh? Alright, how can we solve this? If I've got 8 chairs and all of the 8 chairs put on the scale weighs 24 kilograms, I want to weigh one chair, but I don't want to take the time to do it. I think I can do it in my head. So let's see if we can figure this out. I need to do a division statement because I'm dividing 24 into 8 groups. When I divide 24 into 8 groups, this is how we write it. 24 kilograms divided by 8 chairs equals something. How can I solve it? Now, if you cannot remember right off the bat what 24 divided by 8 is, we could use some skip counting. So, if we skip count by 8s, what do we get? 8, 16, 24. When we do that, how many numbers did we have to count to get to 24? That's right, 1, 2, 3. So, 24 divided by 8 equals 3. Now wait a minute. Is it 3 chairs or 3 kilograms? Let's go back to the question. What is the weight of one chair? If you divide 24 by 8, you get 3 kilograms. Now, I skip counted, didn't I? Here's how I can show my work that I skip counted and how I can figure out that it's 3. That goes right here. This is how you would show your work. All right, Good luck with your practice problems, and I hope to see you tomorrow. Have a good night.